Okay, today we have a DC-62FD. We have the unboxing this freezer and refrigerator to unboxing for 60 liter. We have the unboxing. They required the two men to clean the left this box because too heavy objects. Yay! Yeah. Okay, I have the shipping damage over here, here. The shipping damage because I believe they're too heavy of these. So take it off. Okay, see what's the inside. Okay. Okay, DC. Believe DC cable for your car. This is the manual. This is for thank you card. That's the manual. Okay, this AC cord, heavy AC cord. Power cable. I have a two handle. There's one right there. Okay, now I'm going to put it on to this handle, see what it looks like. Two screws. Okay. We have one side done. Okay, that should be done now. Okay, so this one, that's 32. Yes, cut 32 inch. Long is 32 inch long. Wide is 17. Wide is 17 and a half. Height 19 inch height. Okay, inside about 14 and a half inch. At 12 inch. And freezer, this is the freezer side. It's about 8 inch height. I mean the 8 inch deep. That's 12 inch long. Thirteen and a half inch to wide. 8 inches deep. Powering to the power up, see what happens on this display. This is a freezer side, this is a freezer side. So see if I doubt the lights on and off. Okay, they connect here. This is my room, so I'm put on to the AC power on. Okay, right now it's both the same 64, 69 and 64. The fridge is 64, it's a freezer is 69 Fahrenheit. So see, find out that how fast to get to ice and how too fast going to the fridge. So we'll be right back shortly. Also, first time that you coming the freezer, you should leave at least 12 hours to setting down your compressor. This is the compressor. So you need to have a setting down the 12 hours at least before power off. So I have the unboxing today, so that's why I have released. This is pay on my money, so that's why I put it on to show you guys so how it looks like. So that's why I have unboxing and power up. So please do not do that. You have to have settle down to 12 hours to setting down to refrigerator. I mean the freons. Freon should be go down the more. This is the noising is very quiet. Okay, I set freezer. That's 29. I put the freezer is 18 Fahrenheit and freezer (32 Fahrenheit). See, find how fast we get to have to reach the minimum, reach the limit. The when I set 1832. Okay, we put the temperature. That's the 73 Fahrenheit. There's a 79 Fahrenheit. I don't know why different, but this same same temperature gauge, but it's difference. But anyway, this is 79.5. This is the fridge side. We put the 3 bottles of water. There's a freezer. We have the 1 bottle of water. See how we too fast they coming down. $69.60 right now. Will be 30 more minutes. Okay, we have a time for 1 hour later. The freezer is 27 Fahrenheit. The freezer is 20 Fahrenheit. They're supposed to be freezer first, the getting down to temperature, then go to the freezer. So what does it mean? Okay, freezer is the second, freezer is the first. This now right now is 27 Fahrenheit, and freezer is 18 Fahrenheit. It's supposed to be a setup that's 32, but now it's 18. We see find out the 30 more minutes. Thank you.